looking to learn Arabic calligraphy in the Nastaliq and Farsi script, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, this is Muhammad Harun from Canvas Wonders, helping you create something worth wonders today. For those of you that don't know who I am and are new here, I'm an Arabic calligrapher and a self-taught graphic designer. I help people beautify their homes with Arabic calligraphic artworks, and here on YouTube, I help people learn calligraphy with useful tips and tutorials. If that's something that interests you, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon not to miss another video. Today's lesson, we will learn how to script the letter Ha on all its forms. Let's get started. The small Ha can be written in two ways, either by starting with a nib at 75 degrees or 90-degree angle. In this video, we will be practicing the small Ha in 90-degree angle. The letter Ha is scripted in two strokes. Begin with the nib at 90 degrees and create a curve of 1 unit in width and 1.5 in height. Using half the nib, complete the letter by making a semicircle and connecting it to the first stroke. Let's measure up. The height is 2 units and the width is 1 unit, and the space inside is 1 unit. Ha and all its forms. I included Ha and all its forms in this course, so when we move to dual forms, you won't get confused and you'll recognize the Ha that is used. If you are following this tutorial using the Wonder Workbook for Nasta'liq, you will find it much easier as I've broken the Ha and all its forms in 5 visual parts. Start scripting from 6 units above the baseline. Use half a nib, create a U shape, the length of 1 unit. Create a stroke similar to the head of the letter Ya, resembling half a bracket like so. Using half the nib, create a circular stroke of 1.5 units. Keeping the height 1 unit, bring the stroke in and create a circle like so. Create a V-like shape of 1.5 units. The curve is measured 1 unit. This part of the Ha is scripted in 4 strokes. The first 2 strokes are narrow hoops, measured in 2 units. The third stroke is similar to the head of the letter Shin Kashida. The final stroke is a flick measured 1.5 units. Let's measure up. The U is measured 1 unit in width and half a unit in height. The height of this stroke is 2 units and the space is 1 unit to the following stroke. The width is 2 units and the height is 1 unit. The first stroke of the V shape is 1.5 units and the curve is 1 unit. The space is half a unit to the following stroke. Each hoop is 2 units in length and 1 unit in width. The long stroke is 9 to 11 units depending on the composition. The final flick is 1.5 units. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Question of the day. What country or city are you from? Let me know in the comment section below so I can make more videos around this. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and check out the other videos I have on this channel, because I'm sure they'll bring you a lot of value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.